Human capital formation in India. India possesses a huge size of human resources. In order to transform the liability of this huge size of population into assets, adoption of various measures for human capital formation is very much essential. The term human capital formation implies the development of abilities and skills among the population of the country. In order to develop various sectors of the economy, the country should introduce manpower planning for the development of its human resources. Manpower planning in the sector of human resources. Manpower planning indicates planning of human resources for meeting the development needs of the economy. Just for the proper utilization of manpower resources, the country should impart proper education to its population and train its labor force in technology, engineering, management, medicine, and in many other fields connected with the development of various sectors of the economy. The most important factor in human capital formation is the development of top skills. As this skill formation is a time-consuming process, the entire process of human resource development demands a long-term policy. India's growth story. India has become successful in training a number of scientific and technical manpower in the country during the last 3 decades. The total number of such manpower increased from 188,000 in 1950 to 7,840.2 thousand in 2000. Moreover, the growth rate of scientific manpower during the decade 1950-60 was to the extent of 9.1% per annum, and then the same rate increased to 10.1% during the next decade, 1960-70, in which there was huge expansion of basic and heavy industries in India.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.